We'll guide you through how to upload music to YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've been working on a piece of music. Perhaps you're an artist or a producer, it doesn't matter. And now you want to go and share it with your listeners and your fans. So I've got the track here I want to go and do this with. So what you can do is go and open up a web browser. Then you can come straight to YouTube. Go to the top right, of course, make sure you're signed in. And then what you can do is go and press create in the top right and press upload video. So note it does say video there. Then if you press select files, you need to go and find it. And when you go and see it, you can select it and press open. Now you're going to go and see it says invalid file format. So this is because we can't just upload audio files on YouTube. What we need to do is go and make it into a video. I'm going to guide you through this, so keep watching. So you can see I've got the track here. So come back to your web browser like so, and you can go and open up a new tab. And what you want to do is go and search for something called CapCut. So this is a video editor. So with it, we can go and add the song and music to a image. We'll guide you through this step by step and then get it onto YouTube. So go and type in CapCut like so. Then we can scroll down and you can go and come to CapCut.com. So you can go and get the app for it, but because it's quite simple, we're going to do it online. So you can press try online. You do need to go and sign in here. So you can go and use your Google account or go and sign in. I'll just go and use my Google account. So I'll press continue, choose my account here, and it then should go and sign me in. Just be patient. As you can see, here we are. So we'll get some pop-ups. Let me just go and allow this stuff here, close this and accept all. Then we can go and close this. I'll guide you through what you need. So what we can do is go to the top left and press create new, and you can go and select blank canvas or 16:9. 6:9 is going to be the best option really. Now what we need to do here, if I just go and press the closed button here, is we're going to go and guide you through what you need to do. We need to go and start uploading what we want here. So press click to upload, and you want to press on wherever your file is. So I'm going to go and find the GuideRealm music here and press open. That'll then go and upload. So there it is. Now what we need to do is go and add in some media. So what I recommend you do here is if you've got some type of cover art or album art or just like an image of you or a background which is going to look cool, go and grab that. If you're looking to go and browse for them online, what you can do is head to a site called Pixabay or Pexels, and they're free to use images you can go and grab. I've already got one on my computer, so I'll come to the left into media, and then we can press upload and press upload file. And let me go and find one I want to use. I'll use this one here. This is from Pexels, just an image of a beach. So we'll press open. It'll then go and upload. And then what you can do is click, hold, and go and drag it into the timeline. And what you want to do is make sure the image is the same length as the music. So you can see there that I just dragged it along like so, just so they line up in the timeline. And then what you can do here is go and resize the image. We don't have any black bars. And of course, you go and add some text on the screen and make it more interesting. There's lots of different options to the left here. I'm just keeping it simple for this video. And then when you're finished, you can press export in the top right. And you can actually go and do it straight to YouTube. But what I like to do is download it onto my computer first. So you can go and give it a name. I can name this GuideRealm Music. Then you can go and set the resolution. I'll set this to 1080p just to get higher quality. And then we can press export. Now go and wait. When this exports, it will automatically then download onto your computer. It should automatically download. In this case, it has. And then what you can do is come back to YouTube, and you can go to the top right and press create and press upload videos, press select files. Your file explorer will open. It should be in your downloads. So you can select it, and then you can go and press open. And now it's going to go and start uploading, as you can see. So you can then go and give it your title. So I can go and name this GuideRealm Music. And you go and get the idea. You can add your description, add a thumbnail, add it to playlists, set the audience. Then you can go and continue through the upload process, add any end screens, press next, and then you could go and set it to public or go and schedule it. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.